So my name's Chris Ray. I'm a filmmaker. I live here in the Los Angeles area. 90% of the jobs that I'm hired on, they want a MōVI op. My kid has got to be reliable. I'm filming skateboarding a lot and action sports. You're working with athletes and you have to be ready when they're ready to go right away. I have to be super reliable, dependable, and fast. The Ignite TV50 plates have been super important for me because I'm able to run the TV50s on them now, and I can power the camera, my monitors, I can power the entire gimbal itself. I want to be able to go for a long period of time. I don't want to ever stop somebody. When they're in the mood and they're feeling it, I don't want to say, hold on, wait for me. It's funny to look at and think about how it was before I had this setup. You guys are seriously, you're saving us filmmakers, and I mean, these have literally like saved my job over and over and over.